Yo, what's going on? Your weekend gardener here. Today, good day today. It's about 57, 58 out here. March 6th. Okay, purchased a tree today, March 6th. Big box store. And I had a gift card that I got from work for being an outstanding employee. I'll take that. Thank you. So instead of just buying something frivolous with my money or with my gift card, I decided to invest. And no, not stocks, but the future as far as food, which is a real big hot item at the moment. And I saw this tree. I was looking for another type of tree, and then I saw this style. They call it Southern Living. And this tree is 8 feet. Yeah, maybe 8 feet tall. I've never seen a box store tree that big, that large. But it's a peach tree. It's my 9th peach tree on the property, so I gotta find somewhere to put it. But all right, here's the tree right here. It is a Red Haven, and that's good in this area. Full sun, well draining soil, 2 to 3 times a week until established. Fertilize early spring. Fishy motion. Okay, so I'm going to leave it in this pot until it gets warm, and from there I'll be moving it to a bigger pot. Actually, you know what? I haven't decided yet where I'm going to put it. But for now, it's going to stay in this pot, and I'm going to prop it up because this tree is kind of heavy, but it could topple over in the wind. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to really water it in. When I got the tree, it was water, but it looks real dry. I'm letting the tree know it got a new home. Okay, so I watered it in heavy. Let's see if it's a grafted tree. I don't think it's a grafted tree, but it's not a bare root. It's potted because it's in a pot. I'm quite sure it's root bound or close to it. That is a 3-gallon pot, it looks like. I'm going to put it either in a 5. No, actually, you know what? I'm going to put it in a 20 or in ground. I just got to figure out where on the property I want to put it. This tree, it looks like it's budding out. The reason why I chose this one is out of all the other ones I saw at the store, all the growth was on one side. See how this bends? Every tree actually had almost the same kind of bend, but everything was on this side. There was no branch here, there's no branch here or here. So that's why I chose it, because it's a little bit more well balanced. And when you want a tree, you want that wine glass look. You really don't want a lot of leaves or branches crowding in the middle. You'd rather have, because they crowd in the middle, they crisscross, they're touching, and diseases, and you can rub the bark off of one, and it just tree won't be happy. So I chose the one that looked as close to a wine glass as I could. Now in the future, I can see this branch getting snipped and this one getting snipped, but for now I'm going to leave them alone, and I'm going to let them do their thing. So I watered it in heavy. Fishy motion. and it should be good till I figure out where. But there you have it, Hale Haven Peach, 8 feet, box store, big box store, not a bad price. Keep your breast or how it does. Take care.